Good evening, my dear students. Today classes Deccan School of Miniature Painting. Previous classes we know that Deccan School of Miniature Painting, Prasanthan School of Miniature Painting, and Mughal School of Miniature Painting. It's a chapter 5 Deccan School of Miniature Painting. So we will start. Deccan Miniature Painting, also known as Deccani painting, is a type of Indian miniature painting created in Deccan area of central India. The school combines Iranian, Ottoman, Arabian and South Indian influence. That's very important. Iranian, Ottoman, Arabian and South Indian. In the 16th and 17th centuries, under several sultans of the Deccan, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, an enchanting and strong school of painting was nourished and thrived in the plateau area of southern India, outside the Vindhya mountain range. Outside. Okay, so we know that Vindhya mountain. Deccan School of Painting has a strong affinity for regional themes because of its particular sensuality and rich colors. Point. Deccan School of Painting has a strong affinity for regional themes because of its particular sensuality and rich colors. Color theme is very important in Deccan miniature painting. Okay, the Deccan school emphasizes complex composition and tried to create a romantic atmosphere. Which was always presented in natural and vibrant colors. During the late 18th and early 19th centuries, a style of painting known for aggressive drawing, shading methods, and the use of pure brilliant colors. Okay, the color gold has been used liberally throughout the painting. So they are using gold color throughout the painting in this school. Deccani clothes were represented in great detail. One of the painting here, see that's rich, gold rich painting. See, gold color, more gold color here. And then sky also, see that's the upper part, sky also gold sky. Sub-schools, Bijapur, Golconda, Ahmednagar and Hyderabad established a complex and distinctive style of court painting. Bijapur, Golconda, Ahmednagar and Hyderabad. Its distinct sensuality and vibrant colors are strongly associated with regional aesthetics. Okay, they are different from the colors of the northern painting style. They are different from the colors of the northern painting style. Pahari School of Miniature Painting, Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, Mughal School of Miniature Painting, they are using color styles, and here another style, color style. Deccan School of Miniature Painting, they are using different style, color. Okay, colors of the northern painting style, different. Deccani painting, bold drawing, shading technique and use of rich. Okay, Deccani painting, bold drawing, shading technique and use of rich. Some influence, we already discussed that. Influence, where the school combines Iranian, Ottoman, Arabian and South Indian. So detail here. Persian influence, high horizon, lavish use of golden color. In the landscape, golden sky, some flowering plants, all have Persian influence on them. Okay, Persian influence. Second one, Mughal influence. Mughal influence in the later phase, 17th and 18th century, Mughal influence was at a peak. Mughal influence was due to migration of several Mughal painters to the Deccan during downfall of Mughal school of miniature painting. One of the painting here, see here this one paint, and then golden, rich gold paint used here, and then shading method, golden shading methods also. Deccan paintings were mostly decorative, especially Hyderabad painting, like the flower beds, costumes, rich and brilliant colors. That's time also Tanjavur painting, we know that's the Tanjavur painting also the same time. The Tanjavur painting is not a miniature painting, but the Tanjavur painting there using more vibrant, brilliant colors, gold, rich gold colors also more there using. In human figures, they combined Persian elements and Indian figures. See one of the painting here. Especially in women, in their indigenous costumes, elongated face, sharp features, wide open eyes, broad forehead, high necks, oversized jewelry, tall and cylinder figures are their Deccan inventions. Okay. Colors are rich and bright. Rich and bright. And gold and white are often used. Okay. Additionally, the colors sharply vary from those that were utilized in northern art. Moreover, the presentation of ethnic kinds, clothes, jewelry, flora, animals, terrain, and colors are distinguished elements of Deccani paintings from the 18th and 19th centuries. The style is a delicate to well integrated fusion of indigenous and Western art forms. One of the important point, influence, the Mughal styles. There's a Jahangir period. They are trying to and instructed the painters the European style. So that's also here. Okay, it's a very simple and easy Deccan miniature painting origin and development. Here is the 4 sub schools also. The next classes we will discuss that for sub schools. Okay.